Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw yellow from Rainbow Friends Chapter 2. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with yellow from Rainbow Friends, let's begin with the eye. I'm going to begin right here, and all we want to do is just make a nice circle shape for the eye of yellow. Next, right inside of here, we're just going to draw a little curve like this. And then you just want to go ahead and color in the inside for the pupil. Next, let's work on the head. I'm going to start up here, and I'm just going to draw lines just going to come down with a curve. So we're going to start right about here, and I'm just going to come down right to about here. Next, I'm going to take this and I'm going to curve it, and I'm going to bring it down here. Then I'm going to bring this down and kind of curve it up. Then I'm going to bring this over and we'll just connect right to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw lines just going to curve out and then come back in for the other eye. And we'll draw a little curved line here and just go ahead and color this in. Now, starting here, let's work on the neck. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that comes down at an angle, and one right here that comes down at an angle. I'm going to bring this line over and then down. Then we'll go right across and connect it to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make the arm. So I'm going to make a little curved line like this. And I'm going to bring this line down to right about here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and it's going to curve down to form the hands. We'll make a little line that comes in. And another line that's going to come down and in just a little bit. Next, starting back here, I'm going to bring this line down and up to right here to connect it. We'll make a little line that connects here. And then a small line is just going to come out and then down. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and down, and one that goes over and down here for part of his shirt. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out and down to here for the other arm. And right here, I'm just going to make a line that's going to come out and it's going to curve down. I'll bring this back here. Another one's going to go down and it's going to come right back here. Now, starting here, let's make the leg. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back here. I'll make a little line that comes down. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then back for one of the toes. And then I'll make another one that's going to come down and then back here. I'm going to make this come up and then in. And a little curve here. Then I'm going to jump over here and I'm going to bring this line down to kind of finish off the stomach. I'll make a line that's going to come down and over for another leg. And then I'm going to come down. But let's do that same thing. I'm going to come over and down for one of the feet. Bring this line over. And we'll make another one. It's going to come down and then back. Then I'll bring this line up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up for the tail. Then we'll bring it right back here towards the arm. Next, we want to draw the propeller. So let's begin right here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up at an angle. And then it's going to come all the way up here. We'll do another one here. We're just going to go right up to the head, jump over, and we're going to bring it up, and then just curve over to connect. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes out here. I'm going to go up at an angle, and then bring it back. Over here, we're going to come out, make it come down at an angle, and then I'm going to bring it back up here. Then up here, I'm going to draw two lines that come out at an angle, and a line across. And there you go. There is your drawing of Yellow from Rainbow Friends Chapter 2. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.